Ricotta cheese whipped with fresh herbs, garlic, and olive oil, sprinkled with toasted hazelnuts and a drizzle of black truffle honey. Sheesh, is this ever good? Serve whipped ricotta with truffle honey at your next party. Next time you're hosting a get-together or friends drop over, unannounced, this extra easy, super delicious dippy cheese spread is all you need. Check it out. First, an hour before you're ready to make this little snack dish, place 1 package of ricotta cheese out on the counter to come to room temperature. While that's happening, we're placing a 1/4 cup of hazelnuts into a hot oven, about 350 degrees. We're gonna toast them up for 15, then they go into a clean dish towel. Gather the towel up, rub them, skins fall away, and then you can roughly chop the hazelnuts. We're gonna set them to the side. Now grab a hand mixer, we're gonna whip up the ricotta. Open the container or package of cheese, break it up a little bit, then transfer it into a large bowl. Next, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, followed by a sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs. Today I'm using fresh mint and fresh thyme, adding about 1 tablespoon of each. Then 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Run the hand mixer on low to whip it up. We're gonna whip everything together. Make sure it's well combined. It needs to be light and fluffy. Next, grab a really smart looking presentation plate, cause here comes the good stuff. Dollops of the whipped ricotta go onto the plate, gently smooth it out a little bit, then we're gonna add the chopped, toasted hazelnuts. Then, the thing that makes this recipe so fantastic, we're gonna drizzle the dish with truffled honey. Look for it at a local gourmet or specialty food shop. Drizzle the honey over the cheese and nuts. It is so fragrant and beautiful. Then a sprinkle of sea salt flakes. Do a little sprinkle of black pepper, maybe a sprig or 2 of fresh herbs as a garnish. And that is it. Oh, plus, this is how I like to serve it, remembering keep things casual and easy. Place out a bowl of red and green grapes. How about warmed focaccia or naan bread? A bowl of seasoned olives is wonderful. And how about some crispy nut crackers? You and your guests can grab a little bit of the ricotta, help yourselves. We're gonna place it onto the bread or crackers. Amazing. You must try this. That's it. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and lots more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, when a little party snack looks this delicious, take a photo of it and post that pic on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook. Whipped ricotta with truffle honey. The perfect surprise something for your next party. Perfect. Honey, beautiful. Truffle honey.